This was not. They were not part of a caravan. They were not, similar to what the group of folks that were in, Tijuana. They left Guatemala. He and his daughter themselves. They traveled through Mexico by bus. They did not walk, and they arrived at the border by bus with the wall in sight. And so when they crossed the border to specifically seek out Border Patrol to seek relief, which was their intention, they had been walking for a few hours, but they had not been walking for days.
The CBP timeline in what they've made public indicates that JAKELIN'S first indication that there was some concern, some distress, was sometime about 5 o'clock in the morning, at a time before the bus that she was going to be transported, and was transported, went to Lordsburg, but that at some time before the bus left, sometime around 5 o'clock, there was an indication of distress, and a decision was made at that point to transport her by bus anyway.
I think it's important for us to understand that the Constitution sets the standard, not Border Patrol. And the constitutional standard, and the government has admitted this in prior litigation in the Tucson sector, the constitutional standard is that there is a system of ready access to adequate care, and mismanaging or denying in proper intake screening is a constitutional violation. So we need an inquiry to look at the actions taken or not taken to understand whether it met our constitutional standards, not the standards set out by Border Patrol.